Hi, welcome to 1 Minute How-Tos. In this video, we are going to learn how to send money from Wise to bank account. So you need to be logged in on your Wise account. Now you need to click on Send. Here you need to select if you want to make an international transfer or a transfer on the same currency. In this example, we are going to send money in the same currency to an American bank account. Select the amount of money you want to transfer. Here you can see the fees involved in this transfer and the final amount of money the regular bank account will receive. Only 39 cents on fees for this transfer. That's pretty low. Now click on Continue. Select your recipient. In this case, I'm going to send the money to myself because this is the first transfer I'm going to make with this Wise account. The process will be the same as if I was sending the money to someone else. As you can see, the only information preloaded for this recipient is my name. Now I need to fill the routing number, account number, and the account type. In this case, a savings account. Now click on Confirm. On this page, you can see a breakdown of the transaction. After you have thoroughly checked all the information is correct, accept the terms and services, and click on Confirm and Send. Now we'll go through two safety measures. You need to put in your password, and then you'll receive a two-step verification code through a SMS on the phone number you used when signing up. Put in the code. And click on Done. Wait for a few seconds. And that's it. Now you click on Done. Here you can see the status of your transaction, even though it says it can take up to 2 days. From my experience, it takes just a couple of hours. And here you can see the breakdown of the transfer you just sent. This is how to send money from Wise to bank account. If you liked this video, please consider giving us a like and subscribing to our channel.